Namaste everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel English Raju. In this video, we are going to discuss what is adverb and what are the types of adverbs. So, once again I am reminding you all, grammar is a connecting topic. If you wanted to understand this topic, you need to have idea about the previous topic. That's the reason I am taking the videos in the order. So if you haven't seen my past videos, you cannot understand this class effectively. So if you have watched, I am very happy. If not, please watch my previous videos and get command over the subject to do well in your academics and competitive examinations. So watch my videos. If you like it, share and subscribe it. Thank you. And now let us come to the topic here, adverb. What is adverb? What is adverb? Adverb means it's a word which modifies or adds meaning to a verb, to an adjective or to another adverb. Try to understand. Adverb means it is a word but it is modifying or adding meaning. Modifying or adding meaning to a verb, to an adjective or to another adverb. Let me tell you an example here. Srishant walks slowly. Here slowly is a word. Here it is adding meaning. It is adding meaning to the walk. How he is walking? Walking is a verb. Walking is a verb and this slowly is adding something to that verb. Slowly is adding something to the verb, so that we call it as an adverb. So that we call it an adverb. Next, Rishi can see it quite clearly. Rishi can see it quite clearly. Here two words are there. Quite. See quite. So Rishi quite not. He can see quite. So that it is an adverb. And how much clearly he can? Quite clearly. So this is also an adverb. That is also an adverb. So Rishi can see it quite clearly, and of course we can consider this as whole one word, quite clearly. Quite clearly. So adverb means it is a word which modifies or adds meaning to the verb, then meaning to the adjective we will see. She is very beautiful there. She is very beautiful. Beautiful is an adjective according to the suffix if you understand it. How much beautiful? Very beautiful. How much beautiful? Very beautiful. So it becomes an adverb. Suppose Somu is working hard. Somu is working hard. How he is working hard? So it is describing the verb. So we call it as an adverb. How much hard? Somu is working too hard. How much hard? Too hard. And this too is describing about hard. So describing an adverb. That's the reason if a word speaks, modifies or adds meaning to the verb or adjective or another adverb is considered as an adverb. Suppose you are not aware what is what. Blindly you can do one thing. Suppose hard there. Somu hard or working hard. It is considered as connecting method. Somu hard. No. Working hard. Yes, connected. So as this hard connected to working, we should say it is describing working. And working is a verb. So automatically it is adverb. Next, she is very beautiful mentioned. Beautiful. She beautiful, because beautiful is describing the she. Okay. How much beautiful? Very. She very, is very beautiful. Which is connected here? Very connected to beautiful. So connected to adjective. So it is adverb. Such a way, if you do not understand what is what in that situation, you can go with the connecting method. You can go with the connecting method. Now come to the topic of types of adverbs. First, adverb of time. There are some particular words: yesterday, today, tomorrow, later, now. In such a way, there are some particular words. If you wanted to speak the time, that is 100% adverb. So they have joined just now. I am to leave for Mumbai tomorrow. So tomorrow is the time and just now is the time. And there are some keywords to identify the tenses. In future videos we will get it. All the keywords are adverb of time words only. All the keywords are adverb of time words. Yesterday, today, tomorrow, later, now, just, recently, already, long ago, once upon a time. All the words are related to timing words only. So we can consider them as adverb of time words. Next, adverb of place. Where? Somewhere, here, there, anywhere, above, up. There are some words which are indicating the place. So all the place words considered as adverb of place. Next, adverb of manner. How? Manner in the sense how he is doing that work. Azim fought bravely to kill the lion, or bravely with some other. Here, bravely is the manner of Azim, how he has fought. So bravely is the adverb. And Vasu is working hard. It is a mannerism of Vasu to work hard. So adverb of place, adverb of time, adverb of manner. Next, adverb of quantity. Again the word has come. Adverb of quantity, adverb of number. Again we have a doubt. So, okay, adjective means noun plus noun or pronoun plus noun. That is okay. Same way, adjective plus adjective there means automatically first adjective is considered as the adverb. Don't worry about it, I'll let you know very soon. So adverb of degree or quantity in the sense he is quite wrong. Here this quite indicating about is. My work is almost finished. Here this almost is speaking about finished. Same way there are some more words: little, enough, much, to, partly, fully, so, rather. These are some of the words generally which we use in adverb of quantity. Once again I am telling you, adverb of quantity, adjective of quantity, very easy. Without noun or pronoun, if you get, just to speak something about noun or pronoun, adjective. To speak about the quantity of noun or pronoun, adjective. To speak the quantity of verb or adjective is adverb. Try to understand. To speak the quantity of noun or pronoun is adjective. Adjective of quantity. To speak the quantity of verb or adjective is the adverb. Adverb of quantity. That is only the point here. At the quantity and number, noun or pronoun means adjective. Verb or adjective means adverb. Simple. He reminded you twice. Here you twice not. Reminded twice. So this twice is speaking about the verb. So that it became as adverb. Okay. Next, Ramesh is often late. Occasionally he will be late. So it is also a number. Often is the number. So it is speaking about the work which he does. Try to understand. Speaking of noun or pronoun, adjective. Speaking of verb or adjective is adverb. Next, reason. Adverb of reason. Therefore, so, or, otherwise. There are some words which we generally speak about the reason. When they speak about the reason, we consider them as the adverb of reason. And there is one more type of adverb, that is adverb of affirmation, negation. In the sentences we discussed, affirmative sentences, positive, yes, certainly, definitely, undoubtedly. When we use such kind of words, we consider them as affirmative sentences. I certainly do this. I definitely attend. Undoubtedly, I will finish this work. In such a way, when we speak, then we can consider them as adverb of affirmation. That words especially, certainly, definitely, undoubtedly, yes, no, not, nothing. So these are the words generally used as Adverb of affirmation, positive means. Negation, negative means. And next, what is the suffix to identify the adverb? There is only one suffix, that is ly. Frequently, quickly, generally, commonly, naturally, undoubtedly, beautifully. So, when you add ly, it will become as a suffix to identify the adverb. And as like adjective, we have an order to adverb also, but it won't be very tough as like the adjective. It is very easy, only 4 words. DMPT. DMPT. Doer. Whoever does the work. Manner. Already we have understood what is a manner, how the work is done. Place, where the location. And finally time. DMPT. That will be the order. Doer, manner, place, time. And how do you write it? Suppose there is an example. Yesterday she played flute at the concert. Yesterday time. She, doer. Flute, manner. Played flute is a manner and at the concert is a place. The order is changed because TD, MP given, but we need to get the DMPT. So she played flute at the concert yesterday. This point is the most useful, especially in competitive examination. Generally, we can use this sentence. In communication, in writing skills, it is okay, accepted. But when it comes to the competitive examination, DMPT is the order. DMPT is the order. So, doer, manner, place, time. So, this is the fundamental information about the adverb. Adverb means modifies or adds meaning to the verb, adjective or another adverb. And the types are time words, place words, manner words, quantity, number and affirmative, negation, reason. These are the main types of adverbs and there is only one suffix, that is ly. I hope this is very clear to all of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you all.